Únete a mi equipo. Trabajemos juntos online.
I don't know what you did, but apparently the algorithm looked at your profile and said, yep, this one does not belong in the regular crowd, and now you're here, so congratulations. Look, videos like this don't usually get pushed out to everybody, but somehow you slipped through the cracks in the algorithm. So let me ask you a real question. What would actually change in your life if you had an extra $9,000 a month starting to show up in your bank account? No boss micromanaging you, no stressing through those morning commutes, or bills showing up all the time. Just consistent money coming in like clockwork. Now, of course, most people hear numbers like this and they immediately scroll because they've trained themselves to think small or to assume everything online is fake. But you didn't scroll, you stayed. And the algorithm is watching what you're doing next. So here's your next move. Hit the like button so the video doesn't disappear from your feed. Follow this profile so that you see the next content that I have coming out about this. And actually, I know that you're serious. I will then reach out if you comment below ready, okay? And most importantly, go to the profile, tap the link in my bio. That's where a short video explains how people are using AI to build massive home-based businesses and serious digital empires in record time.